A bore da a croeso heddiw I Portmeirion. Good morning, and today a welcome to Portmeirion. If you've never been here, I'm just going to give you a very miniature tour. So of course the first place that you'll find me is in the delicatessens in Portmeirion. Cowsereri, Snowdonia cheese. One of those might have to go home with me. Just come out of the hot jam deli to the smell of some beautiful fresh coffee. And one of the things to notice in Portmeirion is how the colour graduates on the buildings from darker at the bottom to lighter at the top. And that's to make it look as though it's bleached by the sunshine. So although it's not raining at the minute, it's definitely not been bleached by the sunshine today. She's looking up towards the tower, the Campanile, one of the first buildings to be built here. And the whole idea was that Clough Williams-Ellis, the architect, wanted people to see that there was something going on in Portmeirion when the constructions had started. So beautiful. I'm fairly quiet here today compared to how busy it's been high season. And just a view down towards the swimming pool. Strange that there's nobody in it. And I'm now going to head off for a cup of coffee before we make it back up to the top of the village to head for lunch in Castelldeidraeth. Well, somebody has to do it, you know. It just tempts you in, doesn't it? There's actually some heat in this sunshine now. How wonderful. And then just as I was trying to be serious, doing a bit of filming, Hugh creeps up behind me.
Hello.
And says, and now here we have Hugh. So me and Hugh are very lucky today in that we've got two coaches, wonderful group of people that are on a tour here in Portmeirion.
Ideal.
Lucky, aren't we? Eh? I love that feeling of the secret corners of Portmeirion. Love the vibrancy of those colours against that blue sky that's just breaking out, especially for us today. Well, I'm glad to say that it seems to be clearing up a bit, so we should get more views on the way back to Holyhead today. But in the meantime, it's lunchtime. Castelldeidraeth.